Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create digital products in Canva. If you've ever wanted to design cookbooks, planners, social media templates, or presentations, Canva makes it incredibly easy, beginner-friendly, and fun. So let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and head over to the Canva homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice a wide range of product types you can create. Everything from presentations and ebooks to social media posts, documents, planners, and more. Now, think about what kind of digital product you want to design. For example, if you want to create a cookbook, just type cookbook into the search bar. Canva will instantly show you a variety of professionally designed templates that are ready to customize. Browse through the options until you find one that matches your vision or brand style. Once you've found the perfect template, click Customize this template. And this is where the real magic begins. Canva's editor allows you to change every part of the design effortlessly. You can click on any text box to edit it with your own content. For example, replace placeholder text with your recipes, instructions, or creative ideas. Next, personalize your visuals. On the left sidebar, you'll find the Upload tab. This lets you upload your own images, illustrations, or logos. Maybe you have high-quality photos of your dishes, product shots, or branded graphics. Just drag and drop them into your layout. You'll instantly see your template transform into something completely unique. And here's a pro tip. Don't be afraid to experiment. Canva gives you access to millions of free elements, fonts, and icons. So play around with colors, layouts, and design features to make your product truly stand out. Once you're happy with your final design, simply click the download button in the top right corner. Choose a PDF format if you're creating a printable product, or save it as an image or presentation depending on your purpose. And that's it. You've just created your very own digital product in Canva, beautifully designed and ready to share or sell online. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about which Canva product you're planning to make next. Until next time, happy designing.